Hey, what's up guys, it's me Spox here. So today we're going to be reviewing the Epomaker SK61. It's a 60% keyboard and I ordered it with yellow switches. This is my attempt of taking off the sticker, it didn't really work out well. So let's open the box and see what's in. Right, straight away, we have a manual. And then we have the keyboard right underneath it. So I'm going to take the keyboard out, if I can. So here's the keyboard, it looks kind of clean. Oh, the spacebar sounds really nice, wow. Yeah, I'm a fan of this. Wow, every key, okay, so I used to have red switches, they're much louder than this. I'll show you right now. Here's my red switch keyboard, let me just move this up. This is my red switch keyboard. They're both 60%. This one's a lot taller. These ones sound a lot nicer. These ones sound a bit loud, and then these ones are just clean. And this bass part's quite rattly as well. And then, wow, that sounds really nice. Okay, and then in the box also, if you lift this up, then you get your extra keycaps. I don't know. I think there's like option and control. I think that's for Mac. Here is the cable, looks kind of nice. It's a USB type C. And then it also comes with a keycap and a switch puller. If I can open the box. There we go. It's right in here. So here's the keycap and switch puller. So this is everything that comes with the keyboard. You got the cable, you got the keyboard itself, you got option, command, another option, another command, and 2 controls. So I think that's for Mac. I'm not exactly sure because I've never had a Mac before, but so now I'm gonna plug it in. Oh, it has like a little animation when it's turning on. The keycaps feel really nice. They're like really smooth, and the switches sound really nice, and they're really smooth because they're yellow switches. They sound and feel really nice. So I'm just gonna do like a sound test. So overall, I think this keyboard's really nice. I would recommend it for sure. The switches are smooth, the keycaps are nice, the RGB is nice, if that's what you like. So this is what it looks like in the dark. It looks really nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video about the SK61. I would definitely recommend this keyboard, it's really good. And yeah, if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.